We are doing, you know what, before we do that, we got to get the damn scanner. We need to, I want to plug in this fucker. They're having fun.
It's supposed to be this easy. That fucker just popped off in one little push.
I need to get mine.
Right, that's what I'm talking about.
Goddamn, Stephanie, I wish your mom was like you. You just fucking help and fucking not bitch. I asked her to go to this fucking store and I think I ended the world. Gonna hook up the old scanner here. Somebody put some money into the damn WeatherTech floor liners. Alright, I need to turn the key on. Got a nice little Kenwood stereo. I like this truck. It's an 05. Pretty much same setup as the old one. It's a little different. I like the console. Oh, part of here broke. I still put a little console that went over this. Yeah, it's pretty damn nice though. I think it's got a big cup holder and a little cup holder. Kind of weird, but I like that. Yeah. Alright. It's got the car light shine to it. Now let's see if it's going to be good and see if it just reads the damn VIN. Oh, I do need to get another scanner. Hey, if there's any guys out there that, you know, would love to send me some tools to check out, stuff like that, especially a scanner, and hook me up. This thing makes weird ass noises too when it like downloads the VIN. It sounds weird. I mean, it's got like a crackly sound to it when it does it. I don't know why. Okay. Ranger Mazda B series. Huh. That's weird. Okay. Just gonna do a quick scan. Oh, we only got one fault. That's cool. All right. I like just the one fault. Yep, one recodes. Here's the trouble codes. Let's see. Just do that in. Yep. Right there. Coolant thermostat stuck open. Okay. Well, we have a thermostat right here. See how fun that is. Should be alright with this. So we need to go back and I'm going to go ahead and clear the codes. We're going to fix that problem. Back recodes. Just testing everything, making sure everything works. Okay. Yeah, it's just got that bullshit here. Okay, let's see. I wonder why I damn it did this. That damn read fault code goes right back. So maybe we need to change the damn thermostat first. Alright, let's see here. Plugs and thermostat. See what happened off in here.
Oh, Jesus.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, 2 left. Yeah, that one actually came up pretty easy.
Huh?
That wouldn't go that far.
Alright, there's the thermostat housing right there. So, we need, should we do the thermostat housing first or plugs? Let's do the thermostat first. Do the thermostat first. And I don't have no 1/4 inch in here. Shit.
Oh yeah, that's what Daddy's talking about too. Oh yeah.
You know you enjoy it.
Yeah, when it come that easy.
Yeah. You always said you wanted to be a mechanic. I want to be like John. I want to hurt every day, bust his knuckles every day, be pissed off every day.
Work on a beat kind of type, own a Chevy. No, I'm good.
Yeah. Alright. Actually glad this stuff came along because I was kind of worried about Christmas money. Oh. Kind of needed this shit to come through, and it came through, so now I can buy some Christmas presents. We got a couple of outfits for my granddaughter in Iowa. Hey Alice. But just don't want to send 2 outfits right now. I don't want to just ship the whole shebang. So it looks like we're gonna be doing some shopping tonight on Walmart. I don't know. Actually, I've been getting pissed off at Walmart lately. What in the holy fucking crap? Yeah. There's no fucking way I should be able to have to take the intake off to pull the damn thermostat. There should be enough room to pop that off. Surely Ford did not do that shit. That would suck. That would suck. Okay. Let's get a bucket somewhere. I'm gonna find a bucket. I'll be right back. Alright. What the fuck? Okay. Well, then they gotta be fucking 8s then, so what the fuck? Yeah, this is being a pain in the ass.
Flip it.
I'm trying.
Got 2 seconds. Hurry up.
I gotta try this 5/16. I have an 8. I want something a little. Sit here. Okay, I guess it is an 8. Oh, that one came off loose. That's cool. Oh, come on. Ooh. Ooh. I'm really hoping there's enough room to pop this son of a bitch out of here without I have to take the intake off. I don't know why the hell Ford designers did this. This is the new style 4.0. This ain't like the one that's in the old One Ranger. These actually, I hear these are decent engines. The problem with these is the back timing chain, which the 01 does have the back timing chain too, but they don't have near the not the cam phaser, the tensioner problems. The timing belt or timing chain tensioner problems is these 05s do. But this thing's got 127,000 miles. Wow, that's not good. He's gonna need to get him a damn fuse cover for that. Didn't even know that. I wonder if you even notice it's gone. God damn. I don't like this. Damn it to hell. Oh no. No. Shit. Fuck. Let me figure out how to get that bolt out real quick, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are here. Okay, we're going to be doing the spark plugs now. Just got done doing the thermostat. Hope y'all like that video. Well, I tell you what, I got editing for days. We're using Motorcrafts because it's a Ford. Now, if you don't got money for Motorcrafts, let me make sure this damn thing's recording before I talk to myself for 20 minutes. We're good. Now, these Motorcrafts is what Ford takes, but if you cannot get or afford Motorcrafts, because they are kind of pricey, then get NGKs, or I think a Desoro or some shit like that is also good. But only these three kind. And Desoro is like the last minute resort, you know what I'm saying? That's just like you know, the only thing you could do. But never ever put auto lights in a damn Ford. Okay, now you always want to check the gap on these, and 32 to 42, huh? Well, we're just gonna go to 45. Now see that? Look here. This thing's on 51. Now it doesn't say that. It says 1.32 to 1.42. Now, so that's 10 off. 11. That's 11 off. So you just want to tap it. Little taparoo. Well, these still ain't worth a shit. Get there. Maybe. That's a little better. I want to say we want to put these at. Put these at 40. 40 is going to be a good round. It's right in between, almost right in between the two. So we're going to do 40. That's another 51. Oops. Gonna hammer that in a little bit too much, but that's okay. Get this in there. That. I don't really like using these type of spark plug gappers, but I don't have another one. The one I did have is broke, and I don't got the money to buy another one. No, see, that one's 49. Okay. Alright. All done at 40. Oh, we get started. Breakfast. Yeah, pretty good breakfast. Alright. Well, let's get started. How the fuck? Come on. Alright, I gotta go get a damn. I gotta go get a too. I'll be right back. Alright. Need a pair of these. You know, it actually feels like the spark plug wire broke. Ah. Yeah, tell him he needs to find a cover for this. Oh, cool, it didn't break. Awesome. I like that. Yep, that is bad coming up to the winter and not having a damn cover for your fuse box. Make sure y'all guys are recording real quick. We get started. Yep, y'all good. If my phone wasn't so dead, I'd put this thing on my phone so I didn't have to. Damn it. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna need an extension to bring it out here. I should have that right here. This one here. Oh yeah, I bet you these are original from 2005, so 15-year-old plugs. That's the common thing in this world, guys, that plugs don't cost that much. And there's thousands of YouTube videos of people changing damn spark plugs. You could find one for the car that you're working on. Now, I understand if you have one that the damn intake has to come off, but if you pay attention, you can do it. Oh, I knew it was gonna fall off. I want to see that fucking spark plug though. Did it come on the floor? Yep, there it is. There it is. Oh, let's go. Let go, let go, let go. Ah, yep, original spark plugs. I'll tell you a good way to know. Leave on the plugging ground. There we go. I'll tell you how you know is see the paint on the plugs? Yeah. I've never worked at a mechanic shop or ever seen a mechanic shop in my day that repaints the plugs. Usually that's a Ford. Chevrolet does that. Fords are usually blue or red or less the orange color. Chevrolet usually white. But yeah, so let's see. Now remember, 32 to 42. See how this thing's gapped. This thing is gapped at 94. Wow. Okay. Shit. Sorry about the noise, guys. How's it going? Oh, damn, come on, wind. There we go. Right here. There you go, guys are saying, what the hell are you gonna do with that? Ooh, that's a nifty idea. Now we just under that hose. Come on. Right over here. It's in the hole. It's in the hole. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off of here. Y'all can just stay with me. We'll just do some fast forward, huh? Damn battery don't die. I do love this GoPro though. It makes everything a lot easier. Make sure you feel that click. You push the boot in. Alright. Alright. Now these two here, the back two and possibly the front two, it's just that third one back there. It's usually a bitch on it. One thing you don't want to do is break the damn boot. Then we'd be in trouble. I don't know if there's any places around here that's open on a Sunday. I should have told them about new damn spark plugs. Wires. But these are coming off good. Usually on Fords, damn spark plug wires last forever. Of course y'all seen, so do the spark plugs. I would say Dodges are probably the worst in trying to reuse their damn spark plug wires. Dodges and Chevrolet. God damn, these things been on here for a minute. God damn, please, every couple of years, if you drive a lot, and if you don't drive a lot, at least 2 or 3 years, down the line. Change to fucking service your damn vehicle. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that thing's gapped to the moon. You see that? Sound like he's having fun. I don't know what I did with the... Oh, there it is. Alright, where's our paper at? Where did our paper go, guys? Like that. Oh, yeah. Open here, open here. It's in there. Tighten it up. It gets in there. Damn paper. There we go. Oh yeah, that's in there. Alright. Alright, now we just gotta go do the next one and so on and so forth. When I get up to the other side, I'll get back to you. This fucking thing done, this goddamn spark plug on this side wants to be a dick. I'm gonna drop the fucking air down the damn tire here. A little easier to get up in there. God damn. Fucking things, these goddamn back spark plugs. That's who the fucking engineer is that fucking designed this fucking goddamn truck. I like to kick him in his fucking balls. In his fucking balls. That motherfucker better be the size of the rock. And I'd still kick that bitch in the balls. This is just fucking just way too fucking hard to change fucking one spark plug in this fucking thing. This one back here is fucking just sucks. God damn it, you fucking piece of fucking garbage. I mean, what the fuck? The goddamn people, fucking engineers didn't think that, oh, you need to stone this spark plugs in your truck. I just don't fucking understand how the fuck. Just fucking don't. This fucking goddamn nipples just tearing me up. God fucking damn. The only thing I fucking want to do is just get some goddamn Christmas presents for my grandkids. But no, I gotta do stupid shit like this. Fucking goddamn motherfucking morons. Fucking engineers. Fucking look at this shit. Just fucking bullshit with these fucking trucks. God damn, you can't get your goddamn hand back there. Fucking goddamn fucking. Let me get this fucking stupid ass fucking spark plug out. Alright, got this thing done. God damn, these GoPros go through batteries. Got a little bit of antifreeze leaked out of it, not too much. Let's see if we got some. Whoo-wee. I am behind. That truck got me behind. Way behind. Well, I don't see any fucking coolant in here. Nope. So I got to get them some coolant. But it's done. I hate these damn covers. What a motherfucker. Goddamn plugs and these suck.
That's why you became a mechanic.
No, I became a mechanic because I thought I was gonna make it rich by the time I'm 40. Boy, did I fucking lie to myself.
Yeah, but how much have you saved yourself in mechanic bills? As much work as you fucking done to your vehicles. You know
Oh
what I mean?
shit. Thousands.
Hundreds of thousands.
At least.
Especially your race cars.
Yeah. Yeah, ain't no shit. Alright, see if I can get this thing up out of here. Start ringing anything. Glad I have a big yard. Get Mikey to move his damn plow truck so I can get up out of here. But it can sit right here right now. Oh, what a dirt! Should be way away from the mailbox. Ooh, I'm not away from that though. Fucking Christ.